You guys saw me cut open this pie squishy and I wanted to remake it. So first I got to get the squishy maker all set up, and then I'm going to use a peach pie filling slime. This came from Kawaii Slime Company and it was actually sent to me by It's Sugar. This one's a little bit deactivated, but I thought it would really make a soft squishy. So I'm going to scoop all that slime down in there. It smells amazing. So after I got it off the squishy maker, I'm going to shove it right back down into that pie mesh ball, and it looks fine. Oh, it works so well. I knew that kind of underactivated slime was going to be soft enough to squish out of that pie mesh ball, and I can still smell the peach pie. It smells good. I did accidentally tear it a little bit trying to shove it down in there. I was a little too aggressive, but I do love how this one turned out, so you're going to have to let me know if you like my remake as well as the original.